is Rene Thomas. They call me RS. This is my car, the Gunslinger. It's a 1974 Firebird Formula 400. I've had the car for 23 years, and I've rebuilt it twice now. It's all fuel injected with a Holley sniper system. It's a 69 block with 6X heads. It's bored 30 over. Oversized valves, oversized pistons with the Holley sniper system. I have the interior. It's custom. Diamond tuck interior, 2 different kinds of Italian leather, crushed mahogany and Italian. She's got all new suspension, modern suspension. The car is originally from Arizona. They were racing it on a dirt track. I went down there. My buddy bought it. I went down there and helped him tow it back after they smashed it on the way back here to Wisconsin. And he owned it for 10 years, and I hounded him like a dog. Every week I was at his house. When are you going to sell me that Firebird? And it was orange. Spray painted orange. And after 10 years, he sold it to me. We don't talk anymore. I don't know why. No. The Gunslinger is famous. Mickey Thompson valve covers are hard to come by now. You know? All old school. The 69 block is a reverse rotation with the rotary, with the distributor rather. They had me in the paper. You know?